everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how easily you can fix your app not installed problem on your Google Play Store. But before we start with our video, as usual, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video. So first thing, there could be many reasons why you are having that problem on your Google Play Store where you're supposed to download an app but it's saying app not installed or some kind of problem over there. But sometimes because of your network problem, that problem could be happening. So what you will do is simply just go to your Wi-Fi and check if the current connection is good or not, or if it's not, then if you have another optional connection, you can simply switch to that one, or if it's still not working, then you will just switch to your mobile data instead and just try again. And if this is also not the problem, this is also not sorting it out, still having the same problem, then the other thing could be the storage. That could be one of the reasons, because if you do not have enough space for that particular app, then that could be one of the reasons why you're not being able to install that app itself. Then other thing that you can do is you will go to your settings and then you will find this option called apps. Some have app manager, some have just apps. In my case I have apps. Then you will simply go to this apps option again, then you will tap on this three dot on your top right corner, tap on that, and here you simply tap on this option called show system process. Then you will simply search the Google, and as you can see the option called Google Play Service for AR, simply tap on that option, and then you will tap on this option called storage, and here you can see all the data and the cache over there. So in my case I have already cleared out the cache of the Google Play services, so it's cleared over here. So we'll just go back and then you will just have to clear cache of that place, and then you will again go to your Google Play Store, and then again you will tap on this option called storage, and here you can see you will simply tap on this clear cache option, tap on it, your cache is clear. So other option is that you have an option called clear data. If you clear all your data, as again I will read for you guys, all this apps data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, database, etc. So if you are having this problem constantly and if you're okay with your account being gone for a while, then you can simply tap on this okay and delete your data, and again get logged in with your Google account and again try to install the app itself. So these are some solutions for you to check on. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video has given you the answers of your questions. If you have more concerns, please do leave in the comments below, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.